Online money is a form of digital currency that can be exchanged electronically and used for online transactions. It offers the convenience of conducting financial transactions through online platforms, eliminating the need for physical cash or traditional banking systems. With online money, users can make purchases, pay bills, transfer funds, and conduct various financial transactions from the comfort of their own homes or on the go. It provides a secure and efficient way to manage one's finances and eliminates the risks associated with carrying physical cash. One of the key benefits of online money is its accessibility. Unlike traditional banking systems, which may require individuals to have a physical bank account, online money platforms often allow users to create an account quickly and easily. This opens up financial services to individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services, promoting financial inclusion. Online money also offers greater convenience and flexibility. Users can access their accounts and conduct transactions at any time, from anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. This eliminates the need to visit physical bank branches or adhere to strict operating hours, providing a more user-friendly experience. Security is a crucial aspect of online money. Platforms employ robust encryption protocols and security measures to ensure that users' sensitive information, such as their personal and financial details, are protected from unauthorized access. Additionally, users can set up two-factor authentication or use biometric verification methods to further enhance security. Furthermore, online money often allows for seamless integration with various online platforms and digital services. Users can link their online money accounts to e-commerce websites, mobile payment applications, and other online platforms, enabling quick and easy transactions. However, it is important to note that there may be risks associated with online money, such as potential hacking or scams. Users are advised to exercise caution and follow best practices when using these platforms, such as keeping their login credentials secure and monitoring their accounts for any suspicious activities. In conclusion, online money offers a convenient, accessible, and secure way to conduct financial transactions online. It has revolutionized the way we manage our finances and is becoming an increasingly popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. By leveraging the power of technology, online money provides a seamless and efficient method for conducting online transactions.